Hello guys, this is Hassan. Today I am going to show you how to track the contact form 7. Okay, so first of all I have to enable some built-in variables from the variable section. I show you the previous video where we track the WP form. Okay, this is as like same, just enable the form related variables. There are 6 variables, built-in variables actually. Okay, first of all we have to create a tag. It's a tag actually custom HTML tag. Just paste the listener form tracking code. It's actually collected from Leo Major website. Okay, so just paste it and trigger on the all page. If you can set the trigger all page or specific page where the form actually set up through the actually developer setup this page URL. Okay, so for my cases and safe side actually the all page, just name the tag form listener tag. Listener tag actually, just save. Then you will preview the website. Okay, just preview. It's connecting, just take few seconds. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, yeah, connected. After connected, if you go to the page where the contact form 7 actually, and whenever you submit the form, okay, after creating the tag with the listener, you will notice that an event will fire here. Okay, for example this is contact form 7, but for my cases I don't have contact form 7. This is WP form. Submit the form. Okay, okay, check here this is WP form. Submit. In your cases when you submit the contact form 7, that time in here actually you show the event name contact form 7 submit, but something like that. Just by this event name you will create a specific trigger for the form tracking. Okay, just trigger new custom event, just name CF7 submit. Okay, name the trigger CF7 submit trigger. Save. Now create a tag. GA4 tag actually. Measurement ID, constant measurement ID, event name. For the lead generation side actually form submission means a lead generation. Generate lead, but in your cases you can name the event it's, and then the link the trigger CF7 and name the tag. Okay, GA4 CF7 form submit tag and save. And then publish your tag manager, submit. Okay, that's all. If you create this tag by this way, it will work 100%. If you face any problem, or if you have any query, just comment me on my YouTube channel. I will help you free of cost. Okay, or WhatsApp me. Thank you so much.